I like this photo. I like this photo. Share this post now. Share this post now. Follow my new account. Follow my new account. Write a nice comment. Write a nice comment. Check my latest story. Check my latest story. Send me a message. Send me a message. Do you follow her? Do you follow her? Tag your best friend. Tag your best friend. Save this helpful video. Save this helpful video. The link is below. The link is below. I posted a video. I posted a video. Go live right now. Go live right now. Add a new filter. Add a new filter. Check your notifications daily. Check your notifications daily. Update your profile picture. Update your profile picture. Block the bad user. Block the bad user. Hide your private info. Hide your private info. Join the group chat. Join the group chat. Watch the full video. Watch the full video. Scroll down the page. Scroll down the page. It is trending now. It is trending now. Click on the link. Click on the link. Refresh the home feed. Refresh the home feed. Search for new users. Search for new users. Use a good hashtag. Use a good hashtag.